Hey, second grade writers, it's Mrs. Rosenzweig here, and we're here to write the ending of our biography project today. Yesterday, we worked together on the middle of our piece, so today we're going to focus on that conclusion, the last part where you're restating the topic. So let's look at some sentence starters quickly that you can use when you're writing your conclusion. Now, again, you can use a different sentence starter, but this is a great help if you are stuck and can't think of a way to start your sentences. So we used the coral reef piece yesterday to write our middle, kind of as an example, and I just thought we'd continue that and use it as an example today. So we talked about coral reefs being an important part of an ecosystem. Now maybe you chose a person like Martin Luther King Jr. or an Olympic athlete or a writer or author, and your main topic is that this person was important. So think about how your conclusion is going to look for the person you chose for your biography. So I took this and I actually used the sentence starter all in all. And I just said, all in all, coral reefs are an incredibly important ecosystem. So you can, again, use one of these sentence starters or your own to kind of conclude your biography project. You can also feel free, mine was only one sentence. You can always make your closing conclusion two sentences if you need to, if you have some more details that you want to add in there. So the materials you're going to need, again, your completed pillar. So I want you to take a minute, really look over what you put as your conclusion for your biography. So have that pillar right out and next to you. And then you're going to need your introduction and the middle of your biography. This might be on a piece of paper. It might be in your writer's notebook. So find that because you're going to finish it today. Happy writing.